Hello, hear this for good. Can AI be trusted? Let me explain simply and correctly. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It answers questions, gives advice, and helps people make decisions. But here's the big question. Can AI really be trusted? Let's break it down in simple terms. What AI does well. AI is very good at finding patterns, summarizing information, giving fast responses. It saves time and increases productivity. But speed is not the same as truth. Why AI can be wrong? AI learns from data created by humans. If the data is wrong, outdated, or biased, AI can repeat those mistakes. AI does not understand meaning. AI does not think, feel, understand right or wrong. It doesn't know things like humans do. It calculates probabilities. That's why AI can sound confident, even when it's wrong. When AI should be trusted. AI is useful when you double-check important information. You use it as a guide, not a final decision. You combine it with human judgment. AI works best with people, not instead of them. When AI should not be trusted. AI should not be trusted blindly for medical decisions, legal advice, financial risks, moral judgment. In these cases, humans must stay in control. The real truth. AI is not good or bad. It is a tool. How safe it is depends on how people use it. Don't fear AI, understand it. And don't trust it blindly. Use it wisely. Subscribe to AI Made Simple for beginner-friendly AI education.